Hello, welcome to this short video about different ways of installing Simplygon for Unreal Engine 5. This is also in many ways applicable for Unreal Engine 4. After installing Simplygon on your machine, if we start a new Unreal Engine 5 project, we will not be able to locate the Simplygon plugin. That is because we have changed how the install procedure is. We have two ways of installing the Simplygon plugin. First way to install the plugin is to use the system's Simplygon installation for processing. This requires that every computer we want to optimize the game on needs to have Simplygon installed. To perform the installation, simply go to the Simplygon directory in Program Files, go into Unreal Engine, then 5.0. We're then going to create a plugins folder in your Unreal Engine project and drag the Simplygon directory from the one in our program files into it. After opening up our Unreal Engine project again, we can see that the Simplygon plugin is installed. The orange icon warns us that it is not currently in use for mesh simplification. To set Simplygon as the default mesh optimizer, click the Simplygon icon and then choose Set Simplygon as Default. After a restart, we can see that the Simplygon icon is green. That means our Unreal Engine project uses Simplygon for mesh simplification. The other alternative, which we call the source-friendly installation, is to do the following. Download our SDK as a zip file from our download page. Unzip it, then go to Unreal Engine 5.0. Just like before, create a plugin folder in your Unreal Engine project and copy and paste Simplygon into it. After copying and pasting, open up PowerShell and run install Simplygon script from it with ZipPath command pointing to where you downloaded the Simplygon SDK. Optionally, we can also specify the license key here. That would put our Simplygon license files into the project directory, allowing us to distribute it via source control. We will not do that right now, however. If we do not specify a license file, the license file on each machine will be used instead. Installing Simplygon in this way makes it self-contained. Everything we need in order to optimize our game with Simplygon is in the project directory and can be distributed using source control. Like before, we also need to set Simplygon as the default mesh optimizer. That is all for today. For more tips and tricks regarding game optimization with Simplygon, please subscribe to our channel.